So my name is Janet Bax and I am a Woman for Nature, and I'm delighted to be here with you today to talk about some of our initiatives and about Nature Canada. The three words that I would use would be irreplaceable, priceless and national. Women for Nature is a relatively new initiative for Nature Canada because power is in having them all together, in bringing that collective influence together to be able to undertake initiatives and to be able to support the initiatives that Nature Canada has. So, encouraging biodiversity, conserving nature, but doing it with that powerful collective voice.